To keep the consumer tied to you in the digital age, you don't need flashier ads. You need a quality product and to provide a superior user experience. In this video, we'll show you how easy digital lending can be for your customers. This is a demo of how the TurnKey Lender Unified Lending Management solution integrated with RePay, which in turn allows for instant loan decisioning and funding as well as fully automatic repayments. First, let's log into the TurnKey Lender dashboard. Let's see that the RePay integration is active. Navigate to the System Workplace, Integrations. Find the Payment Processing section and check the API Login, Secure Token, and Merchant ID. You can get these details from your RePay account. Next, let's proceed with creating a loan application on this TurnKey Lender portal as a borrower. This is the start screen your borrower sees when they want to apply for a loan, and that's where they specify the basics of their funding needs. The borrower needs to provide an email and a password to create a profile in the lending portal. Next up, the user needs to fill out the form with their personal details that will help make a credit decision. You can edit this form from your TurnKey Lender dashboard to collect custom data points. Please note that we're using automatically generated consumer data for the demo purposes. The user needs to accept the disclaimer, and then they can submit the application for credit scoring and decisioning. The very next screen that opens is the TurnKey Lender Borrower Portal, which is already populated with the data they have provided on the previous step. While the loan request is being processed, the borrower needs to add bank details for disbursement and repayment to their account. Next, open the loan application we've just created and click I accept to sign the electronic loan agreement. You can attach a custom agreement from the system dashboard. As you can see, our borrower has qualified for the loan they requested. It has been approved. They can see their upcoming payments and the funds are being transferred to their bank account. The borrower can repay the loan in full or just the upcoming installment at any point in time from the borrower portal if that's permitted in your credit product. The payments are processed and the schedule updates with the new payments data instantly. Now let's switch back to the lender side of the deal. We're back in the TurnKey Lender dashboard. Servicing Workplace, let's see this loan from the back end. You can see that the same payment details are available to the servicing officer in the borrower's loan application. You can also check the specific transaction data in a dedicated tab. In case you need to export this data to Excel, the export feature is located right there. And if we set the virtual data for the loan to a month from now, when the next payment is due, we'll see that the system charges the bank account automatically, having warned the client about an upcoming payment beforehand. Now, let's see how the payment data looks in the Reports Workplace. The system provides lenders with a number of built-in reports. It processes the borrower data and the performance of your operation to present it in an easy-to-understand and analyze manner, so you can present it to stakeholders, investors, auditors, or any other purposes. In case you need to create a custom report for your business, TurnKey Lender comes with a powerful reports builder that allows you to build informative and appealing reports right from the system dashboard. Next, let's navigate to the Tools Workplace, Export, Payments Export. As you can see, you can filter and sort the payments data to your liking and analyze it from the workplace or export it into your preferred format. That's all there is to it. If you'd like to learn more about automating your lending process, get in touch to schedule a personalized TurnKey Lender demo. We look forward to helping you grow your business and get out loans to those who need them.